Hi everybody, today I will show you how to make a transparent sticky header in Elementor. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the transparent sticky header, we need to install the 3 different plugins. So for that, we're going to go inside the plugins and click on the add new. So I have already installed all of these plugins, but I will show you which these plugins are. So the first one is actually the Elementor. Okay, so we have to install and activate the Elementor. And after that, we have the Elements Kit Elementor add-on by WPMed. So we have to install this plugin as well. And after installing both of these plugins, what we need to do, we have to search for sticky header effect. Okay. Now you can see this, we have the sticky header effects for Elementor by Rewardner. So we have to install and activate this. Okay. And after installing all of these plugins, what I need to do, I have to go inside Elements Kit, click here. And from here, what we need to do, we have to go inside the widgets. So in the widgets, you have to enable Elements Kit name menu. Okay, so that is it. After enabling this, we have to save the changes. And okay, so now what we need to do, we have to go inside header and the footer. So from here, we actually need to create the template. So let's click on the add new here. And let's just write down sticky header. Okay, so I want to put this on the entire website and I want to activate this. So let's enable this from here and click on the save changes. Okay, so we have activated our sticky header. So now what we need to do, we have to click on the edit here. Okay, so now what we need to do here, we have to click on the edit with Elementor. Okay, so as you can see that we are inside the Elementor editor. So now what I need to do, I have to create the header here. Okay, so let's click on add new container. And I would actually have the 2-column structure. Okay, so I have to change the content width here. So that would be full width. And now what I need to do, I have to drag the image in the first column. And in the second column, I would actually like to have Elements Kit name menu. Okay, so let's just drag this and put this here. And let's just click here. And you can see this, we have the 2 different menus. So I would just simply enable the second one. And I will align this into the center. Or we can also put this into the justified position. But right now, I'll simply go here with the center. Okay, so now what I need to do, I have to change the image here. So let's click here. Click on the choose image. I would actually go here with the logo here. Okay, so we have this logo. Let's click here. Click on the select. Okay, so let's decrease the size of our logo. Okay, so this is looking fine. Okay, so after setting the width, what I need to do, I have to put this into the center. So let's click here and click on the center here, and you'll be able to see we have our logo into the center. Okay, so now let's click here on our menu here, and I actually want to change the menu from the second menu to the menu. Okay, so now you can see here that we have the 5 different options here. All right, so what I need to do, I actually have to click here on the edit container. And after that, let's click on the advanced settings. And in the advanced setting, you will be able to see the option of sticky header effect, the plugin that we have installed. So we have to enable this if we want to have the sticky header effect. Okay, so I only want to enable this on the desktop. So that is why let's just remove the tablet and the mobile from here. Okay, so now let's click on the update here. Let's just open up our website here. Okay, so let's click here and you will be able to see our sticky header here. Alright, so if I just scroll down, you will be able to see that we have the sticky header, and you can see this, we don't have any background color when we scroll down. Okay, so let's just add the background color here. So for adding the background color, you simply enable the background color from here, and you will simply add the color here. So here it will be a kind of white color. Okay, but I will decrease the opacity here. Okay, so this is it. So let's click on the update. Go back to our website, refresh the page. So now if I just scroll down, you will be able to see we have the sticky header and we have the kind of white color. Obviously, we have decreased the opacity here. So that is why we have some transparency here. All right, but at the moment, as you can see, this is not transparent header. So how can you make this transparent? So for making this transparent, that is really easy. Let's just go back here and we have to, let's just click here and let's click on the sticky header effect. And here what we need to do, we have to enable the transparent header option here. So let's enable this, click on the update and let's just go back, refresh the page. Now you will be able to see that we have the transparent header and I have to change the color of the text here. So let's go back here and click here and let's click on the style. Let's click on the menu item style. We have to change the item text color here. So that would be white color. Click on the update. Let's just go back, refresh the page. Now you will be able to see here that we have the transparent sticky header. Okay, so if I scroll down, you will be able to see our sticky header here as well. Okay, so this is how it works and this is how you can create transparent sticky header in the Elementor. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.